What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I am making a love ornament. It's gonna say love, and I'm using this heart shape. I'm gonna stencil this out, and we're using clay again. Dollar Tree clay works great, so I'm gonna just trace out the other letters, so the L, the V, and the E, and then this is gonna be used as the O. And then from there, I'll show you exactly how we're gonna put it all together. I have this white paint. I got this at Michael's. This is my first time trying this one. I usually get Rust-Oleum paint from Home Depot, but this one was available. So I'm gonna use that, and we're gonna do the back first. Of course, we wanna make sure that is all set. And I'm using this apple red spray paint here. This is gloss. The white one is matte, but I'm just gonna go with it. So we'll let these dry, and then I'll come back, flip them over, and spray the front. My review of this Color Shot spray paint, I don't like it. At least not on the clay. Everything is dry now, and I'm gonna glue the letters together. Of course, using this Loctite glue again. This stuff works really good. The glue is all dry here. I'm gonna put wire in between here into the holes. That silver wire right there, it's very thin. And then I'm also gonna flip it over and I'm gonna cut pieces off of these popsicle sticks and glue them at the connections, especially behind the heart here. It's wide enough so that cut pieces will hide there. And I'm also going to try to add one here. So here it is, and then I'll add the wire that's going to be used to hang it. Part of what I want to do is attach one wire to the L. I'm going to attach the other piece of the wire to this attachment here. I'm going to glue this down because this is going to be what I'm going to cover the wire with. So I'm going to have the wire go all the way down to the bottom. I'm going to put glue and then glue this on top of it. So with all of those pieces connected, I'm expecting that this will hold nicely. So I'm going to add that wire. I want to make sure all the glue dries at the same time so I can finish this off. And then I'll show you how everything is going to be connected. I'm doubling the wire